Good morning, dreamers. Okay, I was asked to do a collaboration on this smart lock. This is for a akagear smart lock T02. Says durable IP55 protection, up to 8 months of battery life, local storage for sensitive data, quick easy installation, voice guided setup, multiple unlock options, and built-in Wi-Fi, no hub needed. So I am going to install this today. And I do have a smart lock. No, I have a battery operated lock on my front door right now for the deadbolt. And that is going to go onto my shop because I want the smart lock on the front door. So let's see what this has in it. A user manual. That's the actual lock. Get the key lock. That's the keys and all the little pieces. This is the other side. Oh, and it comes with batteries too. Nice. So I am going to read the directions and get this installed, and I'll bring you guys along and show you how easy it is. So you make sure that this thing says up right in here, and you put that upwards in here. Okay, that's in there. Then we're going to take test latch operation. That works. So I put it in the unlock position, and with the latch fully retracted, route the cable below the latch and insert the torque blade through the slot. So this goes underneath. That goes in there. Line up the screw holes. So now we take the mounting plate, which is this one. Golly, the lighting's just going to be horrible. Sorry, guys. The cable comes through here. And now I need to find which screws. Each of the screws have a little photo on it showing you what it belongs to. So this would go to the mounting plate. Which is just like those two long screws that you use to put a door lock together. You know, in normal old-fashioned door locks. So Just want to make sure I'm not cross-threading them. And it says not to over tighten the screws, which I did not. Okay, next is install the interior assembly. Remove the battery cover. Connect the cable. Keep the thumb turn in the vertical position. Then align and install the interior assembly. Attach the interior assembly with the mounting screws. Place and tighten the 3 screws. So, remove the battery cover. We're supposed to attach this to this. And then we make sure this is vertical. Feed the cord back in there. And line that up on the vertical thingy. Like that. Now I need to find the other screws. That would be these. So again, they just have a little picture that shows you what it belongs to and where the screws go, which is really nice. These are lining up with holes on that plate that we just put in. Okay, that's done. Now we put the batteries in. This claims that the batteries will last 8 months. So hopefully I won't have to change these until June of next year. This is October now. But I'm hoping to put the other battery lock out on my shop because that's the shop that the keyhole in the wintertime freezes. You know, it gets ice in it and it freezes. So it would be nice to be able to use a keypad to get into it instead. Let me go read the directions on how to set this up and I'll be right back. Oh, that's cool. I can open it and close it with my phone now. Okay. Let me go back to reading directions because I'm sure there's more. But my phone is paired with this and it is set up on my Wi-Fi. So, yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, one of the things with this lock is that you can program it to open with your fingerprint, which is handy. So, I'm going to go through the app. Put my name in here. You will be required to place your finger to the sensor several times following the prompt. Start.
Please press your finger on the sensor. Please press again. Please press again. Please press again. Input successful. Unlocked.
That's pretty cool. You can also add passcodes. It came with some e-keys. You can do a palm print. There's like all different kinds of settings to do. I'm not going to do all those. But this would be handy for like if you have a house that you rent out for weekends at a time, you know, the vacation rentals or something like that, then you could give the person a code, put the code in, and the code would only last for the amount of time that they're renting the thing for. And then it would expire. So that's pretty cool. I need to add another passcode. Let's see. Got it. So we're going to do a permanent. Let's do a custom. Supposed to be setting it up. It's set up. Anyhow, so you could put friends or whatever on stuff like that. So I think it's pretty handy. And I can still control it from my phone. So even if I gave out a passcode and someone's in my house or someone's on my way to my house and I don't want them to be able to get in, I can always go in and change it right from my phone wherever I'm at. So that's kind of cool. These are the little electronic cards that it comes with. And yeah. I am impressed. I like the fact that I could set it up with my Amazon Echo and set it to unlock. And my thought with that, you know, so it's voice command, is that if I fall in, let me turn this around so you guys can see me. But let's say, for instance, if I fell and I had to call 911 and they're coming and they got to be able to get into my house, but my door is locked, I could tell my Alexa to unlock it. And they wouldn't have to bust my door in, you know, stuff like that. Things I think about when I'm living here alone, you know. Trying to think of what else. But yeah, I'm liking this one. I like that it's a smart lock, so I could use it with the Amazon Alexa. The other one that is not Echo or a smart lock, I'm going to try and install on my shop door. Although I don't know if it's going to work because the shop door might be too thin. So it would be really nice to have one out there. But if not, then I can use it on another door another time. Okay, so there will be a link in the description below for this door lock. It is the akagear T02 smart lock. Go check it out and tell me what you guys think. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.